This is Standard 8 Geography, Lesson number 4, Structure of Ocean Floor. Now, look at this diagram. Before looking at it, I want to just tell you about the meaning of this structure. Structure means what it is, how the things look like. Okay, the design. And ocean is very deep. We know that our earth is covered with 3/4 portion is water and 1/4 portion is land. Okay, so in this, that is, if we in percentage, 29% is land and 71% is water. And in this water, what is there? Sea is there, river is there, rivers are there, lakes are there, then oceans are there. Now oceans are very deep. Okay, oceans are very deep, and if you look, it is said that the big ships, the big marine ships, okay, or the cruises, they try to have their routes through the oceans only, like they prefer, and they can sail very smoothly. Now if you are looking at this diagram, in this diagram, this part is known as continent, that is there. This is coast. Okay, this is continental shelf, then continental slope, then this is abyssal plain, this is marine deep. Okay, this is marine island, this structure. Okay, islands. Then this is mid oceanic ridges, like this it looks like. Okay, then it is here again continent. So this is all like this it looks like. Now here, what is it? What actually the seabed, the ocean bed is, how it is here. It is deepest. Sometimes what happens, the lava which comes from any place, and because of this region is having water in this area or region, what happens, the lava gets cooled down and it takes form of a rock or stone. That's why we find that the ocean beds, it has like this, it has sometimes there is the deep mountains also, or deep rocks also found in the ocean floor. So like this, the structure is uneven. Okay, and the people, those are the marine divers are there, or the one who are doing research on marine life. So what they do, they try to come down and reach here, and they observe the area. So they try to find out and explore the things that are there. They try to take the samples of the rocks or the this ocean floor, what is there, they try to get it. And sometimes there are this submarines also sent down for marine research, and they also do their research work. They try to find out what is there, and there is, because of this research team or the research work that is being done, many things have been revealed to the people. And if you are watching the geographical channels that are there, or Discovery Channel that is there on the net, this cables TV, so we'll find that they show the details of sometimes there is a documentary been shooted of the ocean floor, and which type of fish or marine life do exist there, which type of plants are there, which types of this pebbles or stones are there, or the minerals are there. Everything they try to show to us, and it is a study. And as the people, the researchers, the mariners, they are doing this research, they find so many things, and they have founded so many in this findings and facts, that there are the big warships also. It is there submerged in the water. It is lying somewhere in the ocean floor or the sea floor. And there are some of the this a big cruises like that is there, that is also like Titanic ships and all. That the finding is because of them, their findings, their research, we have found that thing, that yes, this was this ship which sailed in one time, and what happened with that, and how the things happened there, and what tragedy it got met with. So all the research is done here, and the life that is there, which type of species, how many species are there in this found in this area, or there are different levels of sea beds, and they try to have their measurements. So if you look at your textbook, or if you look at the structure there are measurements given. The depth is so many depth. Okay, so in which this it is found that the surface, this there is a variation in temperature also of the ocean water. There are at different levels of height or altitude, the temperature of water also is different, and the availability of sunlight that is there, it is pitch dark here. It is same, as the sun rays cannot, it till a certain level, the sun rays can penetrate to the water, surface water, and it can reach inside, but after some time it is all dark inside. Okay, so the visibility is quite low there, and that's why there are small fishes. There are so many species there are starfish, or there are jellyfish, there are planktons, there are shellfish, so many types of other fishes also, big, small, all kinds of seahorses are also there are the different kinds of rocks also found there at the floors. Okay, sometimes it is sand there. Okay, somewhere you will find that there are rocks there. There is those places very much cave like. So everything is there. It's like the more you explore, the more you get the knowledge. It's like that. Okay, so that's why many people are doing research of this ocean floor.